how to make your clock bigger on iPhone lock screen. So this is an iOS 26 update. I do have a 17 phone here as well. So if you have the latest iOS 26, you should be able to do this. So if you're on your home screen here, what you want to do is swipe down from the top left-hand corner here, and let's just clear some of these notifications here. And you want to take your clock and make it larger to fit more of the screen. So what you want to do is click and hold, and you'll want to go down to where it says customize. And so when you're looking at the clock, you should see this small little handle at the bottom right hand corner here, and that will allow you to slide this down just until you get about halfway down the actual screen, and you see it lengthen there. And then from here you just hit done, and it's saving, and then you can go ahead and click the photo once again, and then it automatically saves it in that fashion. And if you want to go back, you would click and hold again, go back to customize, and readjust the size that you want. But that's it. That's how you would go about making your clock bigger on your iPhone lock screen.